Ever left your phone charging overnight, only to wake up wondering if it's done more harm than good? Or perhaps you've heard the age-old advice to let your battery drain completely before plugging it back in. In the next 6 minutes, we'll debunk common myths about phone charging and shed light on the best practices to keep your smartphone battery healthy. First up, myth number 1. Leaving your phone to charge overnight damages the battery. This is a myth that has seen the light of day for far too long. Modern smartphones are smart, as the name suggests. They're designed to stop charging once the battery hits 100%, so there's no need to lose sleep over it. Moving on to myth number 2, you should always charge your phone up to 100%. Contrary to popular belief, charging up to 100% isn't necessary or even beneficial in the long run. Your phone's battery life lasts longer when you keep it between 20 and 80%. Next, we have myth number 3. You need to let your battery drain completely before recharging. This advice was applicable to older nickel-based batteries, but not to the lithium-ion batteries found in modern smartphones. In fact, completely discharging a lithium-ion battery can cause it harm. It's better to charge your phone when it drops to around 20%. On to myth number 4. All chargers are the same. Not all chargers are created equal. While using a different charger won't necessarily damage your phone, it might not provide the same level of charging efficiency. It's best to use the charger provided by your phone's manufacturer. Finally, myth number 5. Turning off your phone harms the battery. On the contrary, giving your phone a rest by turning it off from time to time can actually prolong the battery life. This is especially true if you're planning to not use your phone for an extended period. Now, let's summarize what we've learned about phone charging. 1. Leaving your phone to charge overnight doesn't damage the battery thanks to smart technology. 2. It's not necessary to always charge your phone up to 100%. Keeping it between 20 and 80% can prolong battery life. 3. Don't wait for your battery to drain completely before recharging. Lithium-ion batteries prefer being charged when around 20%. 4. Not all chargers are the same. Using the charger provided by your phone's manufacturer ensures optimal charging efficiency. And 5. Turning off your phone doesn't harm the battery. In fact, it can give your battery a well-deserved rest. Remember, taking care of your phone's battery isn't just about convenience. It's about prolonging the life of your device and getting the most out of your investment. So next time you plug in your phone, keep these points in mind. Your battery will thank you.